I've been a nutrition coach since 2018 and these are the top things na napapansin ko kaya people fail, kaya walang weight loss. The first one is mahilig tumikim ang mga tao. Coach, honest naman ako sa calories ko pero hindi niya kinount mga patikim-tikim. Syempre, pag may bagong luto dyan, may balat. Maliit lang naman yan. Sige, titikman ko lang yan. Licks, bites, tastes. Those things add up. Pangalawa, yung mga oily and buttery na food. Coach, healthy naman yan. Salad yan. Na may olive oil. Buttered vegetables. Vegetables naman yan, coach. You have to know na yung oil tsaka yung butter, may calories yan, guys. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mga 120 calories yata yun. So, hindi mo pwedeng ilang lang yun. Number 3, liquid calories pa rin. Coach, naka-calorie deficit ako, pero yung kape mo, daming gatas, cream, kakape ka na lang, 500 calories pa. Yung liquid calories are calories. These will add up still. Similar dun sa oil and butter, hidden calories din to. Yung mga sauces and yung mga condiments. Hindi lahat meron, pero yung mga sugar-based meron or yung mga fattier ones meron din. There are only a few condiments and seasonings na walang calories na negligible na. But you still have to be conscious about these if you're serious about losing weight. Ito bonus, may mga nagki-keto diet. Coach, nakakito naman ako, papayat ako. Pero grabe yung kinakain. Lagpas-lagpas sa calories. At the end of the day, it's still your calorie deficit, guys. So kahit nakakito ka, kahit anong diet pa yan, kailangan na calorie deficit ka.